Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the fill funnel assembly in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 70mm nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of needle-nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new fill funnel assembly. The fill funnel assembly locks on the left side of the dishwasher's tub. It serves as an anti-siphon device. The main reason why the fill funnel assembly would need to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer locks to the tub, causing a water leak. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. And using the 7mm nut driver, I'm going to loosen up that clamp, move it down, and then I'm gonna take off the hose from the air gap. Be careful, it might have some water in there. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the dishwasher. I'm gonna hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Alright, so lift up the insulation. So now we're going to remove this fill hose from the fill funnel. Just pull it out. And out of the way. And then we're going to turn this counterclockwise to unlock it from the 4 clips. And now we can pull it out. Now we can remove the old gasket. This is the old fill funnel assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to use a sponge and clean the seat before we're going to place a new gasket in. And now we're going to put a new fill funnel assembly in because it already has a gasket, so we don't need the second one. Turn it clockwise until it locks. I'm going to place the fill tube in. I'm going to place the insulation back down, and we can slide the dishwasher under the countertop. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shutter valve and tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Now I'm going to install the drain hose to the air gap and push it on and slide the clamp on. And I'm going to tighten it using the 7mm nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.